Welcome us. Today's topic of discussion is about antiepileptic or anticonvulsant drugs. Definitions. Epilepsy is a common chronic neurological disorder characterized with occurrence of recurrent seizures. Seizures are transient brain dysfunctions induced by the episodic high-frequency discharge of impulse by the group of neurons in the brain. Rather than single diseases, epilepsy might be viewed as a family of brain disorders, sharing the common manifestations by seizures. Epidemiology. It affects 0.5 to 1% of the population. Etiology. Often idiopathic, symptomatic. Example, brain damage in trauma, infection, stroke, intoxication or tumor growth. Inherited neurological syndromes or other kinds of neurological disorders. Diagnosis. EEG. EEG is a measure the electrical activity in the brain using the electrode fastens to the patient's head. It doesn't hurt. And then MRI. MRI also provide a lot of answers, especially in case of injury, congenital disorders or other irregularities of the brain causing the epilepsy. Classification of epileptic seizures. The clinical manifestations of epileptic seizures are principally depends on the brain affected area. According to the pathological discharge, localizations we distinguish partial seizure and generalized seizures. According to the level of consciousness, partial seizure distinguish simple seizure and complex seizures. Then consciousness, simple seizure, consciousness is not lost, and then complex seizure, consciousness is lost. Generalized seizures and partial seizures is also different types. Generalized seizures is absence seizures, myoclonic seizures, tonic-clonic seizures, tonic-atonic seizures. Partial seizure is simple seizures, complex seizures, and secondary generalized seizures. Partial seizures. The discharge begins locally and often remain localized. The symptoms are strictly depends on the brain regions involved. It typically confined to the single brain hemisphere. Simple partial. The consciousness is preserved. Duration is 0.5 to 3 minutes. Clinical manifestations at the level of motor function, jerking spasm or rigidity of the particular muscle groups. Mood and behavior, fear, flare of anger, emotional outburst, complex partial, psychomotor epilepsy, complex seizures is also called as psychomotor epilepsy, temporal lobe epilepsy, loss of consciousness, stereotype behavior, dressing, walking, crumping, smacking hair, combing. After few minutes, the patient recovers the behavior without recollections of the event. Secondarily, generalized, starting as a partial and degenerate to the generalized form. Generalized seizures involved in the whole brain, immediately loss of consciousness is characterized features tonic-clonic seizures, grand mal, duration 1 to 3 minutes, tonic phase up to 1 minute, and initial strong contraction of whole musculature causing rigid extensor, spasm and fall, respiration stop, and defections, micturations and salivations often occur. Clonic seizure 2 to 4 minutes, a series of violent synchronous jerks. The patient gradually recovers, feeling tired and confused. Total amnesia is present. Injury may occur during the convulsive episode. Absence seizures is also called as Petmal, are much less dramatic, may occur with high frequency. The patient abruptly cases whatever he or she was doing, sometimes stopping speaking in mid-sentence, stares vacantly for a few seconds, blinking with little or no motor disturbance. The patient is unaware of his or her surrounding and recovers abruptly with no after effects, typically in children in impaired learning capability. Other types: myoclonic seizure, tonic seizures, atonic seizures. And classifications of antiepileptic drug. Then the two columns. First is chemical class and other is example of antiepileptic drugs. Chemical class is barbiturate and then example is phenobarbital, meflobarbital, primidone, and then hydantoin. Example is phenytoin and mefentoin, and then immunostilbin. Example is carbamazepine, and then oxazolidine dione. Example is trimethadione. Then other is succinamide. Example is ethosuximide. Then other is aliphatic carboxylic acid. Example is valproic acid. Benzodiazepine. Example is clonazepam, diazepam. Acetylurea. Example is phenacimide. Newer drugs: progabalin, vigabatrin, gabapentin, lamotrigine, filabamate, topiramate, tigabayne. Miscellaneous is acetazolamide, hexamphetamine. Then it's all the common structures of anticonvulsants: barbiturates, hydantoin, oxylidiones. These common structures of hydantoins, common structures of anticonvulsant drug. Structural classifications of antiepileptic drug. Then it's all about the structures of phenobarbital, phenytoin, ethosuximide, carbamazepine, valproic acid, clobazam. It's all about the structures. Then the structures of methabarbital, mefentoin, ethotoin, felbamate, trimethadione, parmethadione, phenosuximide, methosuximide, phenacimide, primidone. It's all about the structures of anti-epileptic drugs. Mechanism of action: positive allostatic modulations, action on theta, aminobutyric acid GABA at GABA A receptor sites, benzodiazepine and barbiturate. Phenobarbital may also block voltage-gated sodium channel. 5,5-dialkyl barbiturate may also block calcium T-type channel. Oxazolidine 2,4-diones and succinamide appears to act calcium T channel block. Phenyl substituted succinamide may also cause some sodium channel block. The major mode of action for phenytoin: chloramazepine, oxcarbazepine, valproic acid, and felbamate is reported to be voltage-gated sodium channel blocker. It's all about the which mechanism of action, which site and which drugs each act. It's all about the mechanism of actions of anti-epileptic drugs. Then SAR of anticonvulsants, more important in medicinal chemistry, SAR. Then the SAR of among anticonvulsants, the common structures of anticonvulsant. There are present R dash group, double bond O group, NH group and X group. In R and R dash should both to be the hydrocarbon side chain. If the both R and R dash are lower alkalis, the tendency is to be active against absence fissures, petit mal, and not active against generalized tonic-clonic, grand mal or partial fissures. If one of the hydrocarbons substituted is an aryl group, activity tends to be the directly towards generalized tonic-clonic and partial fissures and not anti-absence activity. A conformational analysis of the aryl containing anti-generalized tonic-clonic agents indicate that the conformational arrangement of the hydrophobic groups is important. Then it's all about the SAR of anticonvulsants. Then the R and R dash group, alkyl group and aryl group. If the absence, then it active in absence fissures, and then it's inactive, then it's act on generalized tonic-clonic fissures. Aryl group is inactive, then act on absence fissure, and then it's active, it's act on a generalized tonic-clonic fissures. SAR among anticonvulsants. Then hydantoin is a common structure of hydantoin. Then hydantoin, under the hydantoin, the phenantoin, mephintoin, ethitoin is the anti-epileptic drugs under on hydantoin. The hydantoin are the close structural relative of the barbiturate, differing in lacking the 6-oxo group. They are cyclic monoacylureas rather than cyclic diacylureas as a consequence of losing a carbonyl group. They are weaker organic acid than the barbiturate. Thus, the aqueous solution of sodium salt, such as phenantoin, sodium generates strongly alkaline solution. The compounds have anti-generalized tonic-clonic activity. Hydantoin with lower alkali substituent, reportedly with anti-absence activity. Then all about the structure of hydantoin. Then the examples of anti-epileptic drugs under on the hydantoin. Oxazolidine diones. Then example is trimethodione. Is a structure of ox-trimethodione. Replacement of N-H group at the position of 1. Hydantoin system with an oxygen atom yield the oxazolidine 2,4-dione system. Replacement of the N-H group at the position of 1 of hydantoin system with an oxygen atoms yields the oxazolidine 2,4-dione system. The oxazolidine dione system has anti-absence activity. Allowed this compound is substituted with lower alkalis. Aryl substituted oxazolidine 2,4-diones have shown activity against generalized tonic-clonic fissures. Dermatological and hematological toxicities associated with the group may be the problems. Then succinamide. The succinamide, then the anti-epileptic drugs under the succinamide is phenosuccinamide, methosuccinamide, ethosuccinamide. Succinamide CH2 replace O, oxygen, has activity against generalized tonic-clonic, partial fissure, absence and complex partial fissure. They are now in clinical use. Carbamazepine. SAR can be viewed either as a ethylene bridge, 1,1-diphenylureas, or an amino substituted tricyclic system. The 2-phenyl substituted on the urea nitrogen fit the pattern of anti-generalized tonic activity. Mode of action is sodium channel block, Carbamazepine is useful in generalized tonic, clonic and partial seizures. Then miscellaneous agents. Miscellaneous agents, many carboxylic acid have an anticonvulsant activity, allowed often low potency, possibly in part because extensive dissociations at physiological pH produce poor partition across the blood-brain barrier. Valproic acid. Then the structure of valproic acid. 2-propyl phenantonic acid has good potency and is used against typical and atypical absence seizures and absence seizures with generalized tonic-clonic seizures. Mechanism. The drug sodium channel block mechanism of action is sodium channel blocker. Metabolism is by conjugations of the carboxylic acid group and oxidations of one of the hydrocarbon chain. Many of the side effects are mild, rare, but potentially fatal. Fulminant hepatitis has caused a concern. Then gabapentin. Despite the fact the gabapentin is relative of GABA with increased hydrophobic character, a binding site on calcium channels has been identified. The drug is said to have a good pharmacokinetic profile and cross the blood-brain barrier. It is introduced for adjunctive therapy of refractory partial seizure and secondarily generalized tonic-clonic seizure. It's all about the structure of gabapentin. Then the filbamate. It is a sodium channel blocker. It is the structure of filbamate. Then it is the sodium channel blocker. Filbamate has been used successfully in refractory patients with generalized tonic-clonic seizures and complex partial seizures. The drug is associated with serious Rix-alpha-spastic anemia. It is used with extreme quotations after the anticonvulsant have been tried and a careful risk to benefit has been made. Then the most important, phenytoin. Phenytoin sodium is one of the oldest and most widely used in anticonvulsant. It is used in control certain types of seizures and prevent seizures. It works by decreasing abnormal electrical activity in the brain. Mechanism of uncertain but probably related to effect sodium channel. Then the synthesis of phenytoin is a common reactions of phenytoin, benzyl in presence of urea. Then it will form phenytoin. The first then is 5,5-diphenyl limida 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine is synthesized in two different ways. The first involves base catalyzed in addition of urea to benzyl, followed by the benzyl acid rearrangement 1 to 2 phenyl migrations to form the desired product. Mechanism of synthesis of phenytoin. It's all about the synthesis of phenytoin. Urea and benzyl is starting material. Urea may be recognized as a structural unit in 5,5-diphenyl hydantoin and it constituents one of the reagents in the synthesis along with the benzyl. The basis catalyzed reaction proceeds an intermediate heterocyclic pinacol which an acidification yield the required hydantoin as a result of pinacol rearrangement. Pinacolon mechanisms involves the conversion of pinacolon under the acidic condition with a loss of water from 1 to 2 diol accompanied by a 1 to nucleophilic shift of an aryl or hydride group, and then it formed the phenantoin. Synthesis of phenantoin is most important and is also in practical of medicinal chemistry. Synthesis of phenantoin forms to the benzyl and urea is starting product to form the phenantoin. Pinacol rearrangement and then it will form. Then phenantoin clinical uses: highly effective in partial seizure, simple and complex, tonic-clonic seizure, status epilepticus, arrhythmia, not effective in absence seizure. Side effect of phenantoin: CNA toxicity, peripheral neuropathy, fetal hydantoin syndrome, allergic reaction, hepatotoxicity, and then ethosuximide. Ethosuximide is also important. Ethosuximide is a succinamide anticonvulsant. Then its structure of ethosuximide: 3-methyl pyrrolidine 2,5-dione. Synthesis of ethosuximide: methyl ethyl ketone and cyanoacetic ester which undergoes condensation. The hydrogen cyanide is added. After the acidic hydrolysis and decarboxylation of the synthesized dinitrile 2-methyl 2-ethyl succinic acid is formed. Reacting the product with ammonia gives the ammonium salt, and heterocyclizations into ethosuximide take place during the subsequent heating. It's all about the synthesis of ethosuximide. It's also the mechanism and synthesis of ethosuximide. Ethyl methyl ketone, ethyl cyanoacetate is a starting material of synthesis of ethosuximide. Uses of ethosuximide: treat absence seizures. Side effect: change in behavior, discouragement, feeling sad or empty, irritability, lack of appetite. Phenosuximide and methosuximide is a structure of phenosuximide and the structure of methosuximide. Uses: phenosuximide is a member of succinamide classes with anticonvulsant properties, absence or petit mal seizures. It suppresses the proximal 3 cyclic per second spike and wave EEG pattern associated with the lapses of consciousness in petit mal seizures. The frequency of attack reduced by the depression of nerve transmissions in the motor cortex. Side effects: nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, loss of appetite, diarrhea, constipation, weight loss, headache, dizziness, drowsiness, blurred vision, loss of balance, coordination. Primidone is a structure of primidone. Uses: primidone is used along with other medications for treating grand mal, psychomotor or focal epileptic seizure. Side effect: slow or slurred speech, numbness and tingling, loss of control of bodily movements, spinning sensations, blurred vision, skin rash. Thank you.